What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have a very exciting unboxing, at least for me. I mean, for you guys, it'll probably just be another unboxing, but what's inside this box is something that it's not common on this channel, and by that I mean this is a knife that I purchased for myself. When Shaker built me the custom Crooked River, which I was not expecting at all, but he did. I realized, and you guys who watched my Crooked River versus Bug Out video, I realized that for me, it was going to permanently kick the Bug Out of my pocket. And the Bug Out build was pretty expensive. It also was basically unused. It was just something I carried at the office every now and then. I realized, I should sell this. So it's gone, by the way. It went to... it always gets knives that I sell out of my own personal collection get listed to patrons first, and one of my patrons bought it. And what I did is I used the funds to partially fund something that I have been after for a long time. I'm very, very excited about it. These were like impossible to find for the longest time. Like I was like, oh, I want one of those. And I had a specific configuration that I wanted it in, and the only ones that were left a while ago were configurations I didn't want. But then a bunch more dropped, and so I was like, this is perfect. I will sell my Bug Out that I am not going to use, give it a better home, for somebody who is going to use it, and then I will use the funds to, partially fund this. Didn't completely fund it, but partially fund this awesome thing. Probably could have cut into the other side easier, but it's got personal information on it, so I'm going to just wrench this open real quick. So anyways, if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady to see, there's links in the description. There's more links for other stuff, blah blah blah, whatever. What do we have here? Get out of here. We have a 100% made in the USA product. We have a Guardian Tactical product, so you guys are probably already going to know what this is, but I'm excited because, for those of you who don't know, this is an OTF. For those of you who don't know, oh gosh, I'm so pumped. The Recon 35, which is what this is, has a operating mechanism that is supposed to be much smoother than the standard steel on aluminum interaction that you get with a normal OTF, like a Microtech or a Benchmade. This actually has a steel plate, and underneath this switch are 3 ceramic ball bearings that travel over this plate and makes the action much smoother. So I'm going to try this. Yep, I can tell you right now, that's way smoother than anything I have ever felt with an OTF. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. So I told myself that the Guardian Tactical Recon 35 was probably the best. For me, it was the best size OTF. The goal here was to replace the hole that was left by removing the Bug Out. Now, a lot of people, I'm sure, would probably say, "Well, you said that the Crooked River replaced the hole for the Bug Out." Crooked River is kind of its own thing, but because it exists, it makes me not want to carry the Bug Out. But what a perfect opportunity to add an OTF to my rotation. I have a side opening automatic knife that I carry every now and then. It's a Strider S&G ProTech collab. But I do not have a dedicated OTF. Yes, I have the Microtech Combat Trudon, but it's way too big and way too aggressive. Even living in a state where I can carry it if I want to. I wanted a more reasonably sized OTF, but I definitely wanted a double-sided OTF. My old Combat Trudon was a dagger grind. This is actually sharp on both sides. And so I thought, oh my gosh, I should totally get a... God, that is smooth. I should get a Guardian Tactical. They're available. This one is in LMAX, which I love LMAX. It's a great steel. US-made OTF and for a reasonable price. This is not the review. I will carry this and use it and then review it. This knife is going to be carried and used. This is actually going to be in my rotation. Jeff, I'll say this. So part of the reason I went ahead, I felt comfortable buying this, I messaged Jeff and I said, Jeff, I really want this Guardian Tactical Recon 35. But I'm just hesitant. You know, I don't buy a lot of knives for myself, and I don't use channel funds to purchase knives. If I want a knife, I sell something out of my own personal collection, and then I use money out of my own pocket, you know, to do things like that. Channel funds go right back into the channel for the time being. And I said, you know, this is a big purchase, you know, decision for me. If I buy it and I decide that I just don't like it at all, would you be interested in buying it from me? And he said, yeah, no problem. I think that looks cool. And I appreciate you making it easy for me, Jeff, to make this this purchase, but I'm definitely keeping it. After handling it just now and just taking a quick look at it, I'm going to keep this one. Very, very cool. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's exciting unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Are you excited about this as well? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.